Huawei innovates and optimizes throughout the entire life cycle of PV energy generation. As the largest inverter supplier from 2015 to 2019 globally for 5 consecutive years, Huawei is committed to building efficient, smart O&M, safe, reliable, and grid-supporting smart PV plants and helping customers maximize the return of investment over the plant's lifetime. In 2020, Huawei will further integrate AI technologies to boost LCOE and accelerate grid parity for all. We are very pleased to welcome Mr. Xie Bin, Senior Expert of Huawei Smart PV Business. He will launch a new solution for residential scenario, and his topic is residential new product launch.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to join our webinar today. It is so great to be here and sharing with you the Huawei new residential product releases. So let's start. Firstly, let me introduce you the brand new Sun 2000 226 KTL L1 Smart Grid Center and the Sun 2000 3 to 10 KTL M1 Smart Grid Center. It has 2 MPP trackers, which allows it to be installed independently on those simple and neat rooftop. What's more, this second generation Smart Grid Center also has built-in M-bus communication, which in another way, power line communication. It allows optimizers to work with inverters directly. Battery ready. This is a great feature that we had on our first generation Smart Energy Center. And for our second generation, we will also have this fantastic feature. It is a high voltage DC coupled battery interface, which allows to expand to a battery system by simple plug and play. Communication. Huawei Smart Energy Center has built-in WLAN as its default communication, but this year it will also support Ethernet and 4G communication as optional. So for our users, they will have more choices. Weight. The second generation Smart Energy Center also has a very compact design. It only weighs 12 kilograms, allowing one person easy installation. Next, let me bring you the second generation Sun 2000 450 watt Smart PV optimizers. It is compatible with the previously mentioned inverter models. And one great thing about this optimizer is its one-fits-all feature, which means one optimizer fits almost all poly and mono PV modules in the market. So for our installer friends, they don't need to worry about sourcing different optimizer models to fit different PV modules, because one Huawei optimizer can easily fit all the PV modules in the market. The max power and input voltage for this second generation smart optimizer is 450 watts and 80 volts. So any modules within this range can be easily connected. The max efficiency is 99.5%. In terms of rapid voltage shutdown, during installation or under emergency cases, Huawei's new smart PV optimizer can achieve 0 volt quick voltage shutdown to protect people. In terms of installation, the output cable of Huawei new optimizer is 1.2 meters, allowing modules to be installed in either portrait or landscape mode. Next, let me introduce you the most expected and exciting product, the Huawei Lunar 2000 Smart String ESS. Like a string inverter with optimizers to optimize the performance of each PV module, Huawei String ESS also have this fantastic, unique built-in energy optimizer to optimize the charging and discharging performance of each battery module. Huawei Lunar 2000 utilizes a modular design solution. Each battery module's capacity is equivalent to 5 kilowatt hours, and users can expand the system up to 3 battery modules, which equivalents to 15 kilowatt hours. And it also supports parallel operating. So with 2 sets of Lunar 2000, the total capacity now can reach up to 30 kilowatt hours. A great thing about Huawei Lunar 2000 is it also has this one-fits-all feature, which means one battery model to fit Huawei's single-phase and three-phase inverters simultaneously. The power module on top can easily handle 400 or 800 volt high DC voltage coupled systems. The battery chemistry is lithium iron phosphate. The charge and discharge power of one set of Lunar 2000 is 5 kilowatt, but it can achieve up to 10 kilowatt if we add another set of Lunar 2000. The default installation is floor stand. Relevant floor stand installation parts will be included in the package. Users can also choose wall mount, but it's optional. Optimal electricity cost. At Huawei, we're always thinking about how we can reduce electricity cost for our homeowners. One thing we agree on is for the money our customer invests in the system, we need to generate as much power as possible and help our customer to consume as more power as possible so we can maximize the PV self-generation and minimize the electricity cost. For complex rooftop with shadings, Huawei recommends our full optimizer solution. Optimizers can help to improve the performance of each PV module independently. And depending on the degree of module mismatch, the energy yields increase can be as high as 30%. We know that during the usage of battery modules, degradation occurs. So for different battery modules, they may have slightly different SOC. Or when we add a new battery module to the existing old system, the SOC difference of this new pack and old pack will be even larger. And if we do nothing in these cases, the charging of a new battery module will be limited by the older and weaker modules. For example, charging to 80% and can never go more. At Huawei, thanks to the built-in energy optimizer, now we can charge each battery module independently, and we can also discharge 100% of its energy when we need it. Homeowners can use the full potential of each battery module for more usable energy. Another great feature is the dual power battery ready feature. So for homeowners who purchase the 5 kTL Huawei residential inverter, if adding 10 kW PV on rooftop with the help of Huawei optimizer long-string design, this 5 kW inverter can simultaneously achieve 5 kW full power AC output plus 5 kW full power battery charge. So a 5 kW inverter can get 10 kW in total. It's a very cost-effective deal. Active safety. At Huawei, we're always thinking about how we can bring safety of PV system to a next level for our residential users. We perceive that one of the key challenges we're facing is electrical arcing. Electrical arcing is an electrical breakdown of air that produces a prolonged electrical discharge. It normally occurs in unreliable soldered joints within PV modules, broken PV cables, or loosened PV connectors. The danger of electrical arcing is it can easily start a fire, and it is very hard to detect. The arcing signal can be as small as 0.1% when compared to normal current signal. And for this challenge, Huawei has introduced the AI-powered active arcing protection. With this AI mode or AI brain inside, Huawei inverter is continuously self-learning new arcing features. And when real potential arcing risks occurs, via its local neural network algorithm, it can accurately detect and judge whether it's real or fake arcing. And if it's real arcing, the inverter will shut down immediately. The entire process from detection to make a judgment to shut down the system power takes only around 400 milliseconds, which is well with 0.5 second standard requirements. Seeing is believing, so let's check it out. On my left-hand side is a real arcing simulation in lab without AFCR protection. We can see the DC arcing is continuously posing fire risks. And on my right-hand side, with the same electrical arcing, and if we turn on this AFCR protection, we can see the arcing extinguishes instantly with 0.5 seconds. So is that all about for residential arcing protection? Today, we will bring you a brand new feature, the pinpoint arc fault positioning. We all know arcing hides below PV modules, but we do not know where the specific location it hides. So conventionally, it may take installers half a day to inspect along the PV strings for troubleshooting. But with Huawei's pinpoint arc fault positioning, our system will tell you the exact location of this arcing, so installers can well manage the troubleshooting time within half an hour. minimize the power loss caused by arcing system tripping. Another concern is power outage. For Huawei residential system, by installing the backup box, now homeowners can have 5 kW continuous power output to support their critical loads. And the switchover time is less than 3 seconds. Residential PV systems nowadays have many components in the system, like optimizers, battery, meter, and etc. How to easily install become one of the key challenges installers are facing. At Huawei, we're always thinking about how we can improve. So let's check out the video first. Firstly, for the optimizers, we managed to make it 50% smaller than its first generation, thanks to the compact design philosophy. It can now fit in your palm and hold comfortably, helping you to start a great day. With Huawei Fusion Solar app, it can now automatically detect all system components like optimizers, energy storage system, communication dongles, meters, and etc. The only thing we need to do is to click Next Step. The entire process takes only around 1.5 minutes to 3 minutes, which compared to a system made up by different brands, the configuration time may go up to 15 to 20 minutes. So we can save a large amount of time for our installer friends. Less than 5-second module auto mapping with AI. This is one of the best features that I like about our solution. Before, the optimized physical layout creation is all done manually. We need to relate the serial number to the correct module icon in management system one by one. For a 15 kW system, it may take up to 6.5 minutes and may easily make a mistake by relating the optimizer to a wrong PV module. At Huawei, we're doing it all by AI. All you need to do is to take a picture of the template and upload to the management system. And with one click, it can instantly turn into physical layout view, just like magic. And all it takes is 5 seconds. It can save up to 80% configuration time for our installers compared with conventional solutions. One of the key system benefits for Huawei Fusion Solar residential smart PV solution is one fits all, which means one optimizer fits almost all poly and mono PV modules in the market, and one battery model fits all residential inverter models, whether it's single phase or three phase, and one app to detect and configure all affiliated system components automatically. And one device scanning to register whole system components in the PV plant management system. And finally, one service window for all system components. As digital technologies and renewable energies are reshaping the world, we firmly believe that our society will become more intelligent and greener in the coming future. Thank you very much for your time and have a great day.